Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vipul Pratap, Faculty of Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication Department of Techno Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am delivering the lecture on the topic BCC, Broadcasting Content Complaint Council. IBF accomplished the goal of formulating and implementing the self-regulatory guidelines and the complaint redressal system with the establishment of Broadcasting Content Complaint Council BCCC in June 2011, a milestone in the history of Indian television. The initiative signifies the maturity of broadcaster to uphold freedom of speech and expression preserved as a fundamental right in the Indian Constitution. With suitable modification, the Foundation has adopted the 2008 draft version of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Self-Regulation Guidelines for Broadcasting Sector. IBF Self-Regulatory Content Guidelines for non-news and current affairs channels were framed after wide consultation with more than 40 stakeholders including the industry, government and the civil society. The guidelines set out the principles and practices that guide the broadcasting service provider in offering content that conform to the program code prescribed under the Cable Television Network Regulation Act 1995 and the rules framed thereunder. The guidelines encourage creativity in line with the evolving social environment and acceptable community standards within which TV channels should operate. The most remarkable feature of guideline is the self-governance, self-regulation and self-monitoring by BCCC, which is turning out to be a model for regulators. The BCCC is an independent council set up by Indian Broadcasting Foundation. The council comprises of 13 members body consisting of a chairman being a retired judge of Supreme Court or High Court and 12 other members. The composition of other members shall be as under. First, 4 non-broadcaster members. Second, 4 members from any national level statutory commission. Third, 4 broadcaster members. BCCC would examine complaints about television programs received from the viewers or any other sources including NGO, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, etc., and ensure that the programs are in conformity with the self-regulatory content guidelines. Who we are. First point, Broadcasting Content Complaint Council, the independent self-regulatory body for non-news journal entertainment channels set up by Indian Broadcasting Foundation in June 2011. Second, there is a constructive acknowledgement of BCCC self-regulatory mandate by the Ministry of I&B, which refers complaints received generated by it to the Council. A positive synergy exists between BCCC and Ministry of I&B, with the Council keeping the Ministry informed of the action taken by it. Third, there has been a rapid increase in number of complaints being handled by BCCC in view of the various measures implemented by the IBF member channels and the increased awareness amongst the Indian television audience. Fourth, the Council has from time to time received matters, complaints and references from the Honorable High Courts. It provides inputs to the Ministry of I&B for responding to questions put up by honorable members of the Parliament. Directive, orders and advisories issued by BCCC have received full compliance from member channels of IBF. There has been no instance of violation in this regard. The number of advisors issued by BCCC since its inception has risen to 13. Sixth, BCCC has issued 15 detailed orders to channels. Through these orders, channels were asked to run apology scrolls and in some cases furnish financial penalties. BCCC has held 5 interactive sessions with channels to sensitize them about different aspects of content. 2 such sessions has been conducted in Mumbai and 1 each in Chennai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. So, I hope you understand the topic BCCC Broadcasting Content Complaint Council. Thank you.